Hello, good morning student. Welcomes you all in the last topic of that chapter, some popular operating systems. There are different operating systems available in the market. I will just inform you to memorize the whole chapter as per your knowledge, and today I am taking this part for just information. You should have the information about the different operating system available in market. So see in your book, firstly, Unix system, Unix operating system. Over the page you can see the two type of operating system, Unix and Linux. Unix operating system we will see. Unix is an operating system that was originally developed in 1969 by the group of AT&T Bell Lab employees including Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie, Douglas MC Elroy and Joe Osana in 70s and 80s. The Unix was used widely for the academic purpose. Later it was adopted by Solaris, HP, UX and AIX. What was the system Unix? Unix was developed in 1969. There was the different scientists working for developing that system. You can memorize their name: Thomson, Dennis Ritchie, Douglas MC Elroy and Joe Osana. Different names are there. You can memorize anyone name from that scientist names. In 70s the system were using in the lot form. That system adopted by HP, UX and AIX. HP, UX and AIX was the company at that time. They were using that system into their operating system as to making the CPUs for the different purposes. Dennis Ritchie pictures you can see of the scientist picture, Dennis Ritchie, at the right corner of your textbook. The next operating system is Linux. Linux is very properly nowadays also, because Linux system is error free. Error free, that we can say Linux is the virus free system. We can say the Linux is a virus free system. We can directly download from the internet. This system is very useful in the different way. We can see over your book. Unix is the Unix-like operating system. Linux and Unix are the similar. It has a graphical user interface. It was designed to provide the computer user a free or a very low cost operating system as compared to more expensive. Unix operating system, it is very efficient and fast. You can memorize this topic. The system is very efficient and very fast. Very fast is very important topic, student. It is a popular operating system in the web server and it's in the gaining popularity in workstation as well. In the different workstation, the Linux system was very popular in the different places. You can directly download the system from the internet and you can use that system in the computer. One question also arises in your mind: can we install the Windows system and Linux system in our computer? So answer is yes. You can install the different operating system as per your use. While starting the computer, it will ask you the operating system use. That may be two options can be there for using one operating system out of the installed operating system, but just install that operating system over the different drives. If you are installing the Windows system over C drive, then you should have to install the Linux system on the D drive, because drives are the separation for the memory that can be the in the form of hard disk. You can separate the hard disk in the different manner with the help of different drives. You can install the Windows system in one drive and Linux system in another drive. Whenever you want to use the Linux system, you can use by choosing the option while starting the computer. Okay, so memorize that topic. The another topic, before that we will read the definition present at the top. The code of Linux is available to anyone who want to analyze and modify, but it is mandatory to search for the such people to make their changes available to the public. If anyone scientist or anyone developer want to develop his own code with the Linux system, he can interact by using his own knowledge, can develop his changes and made it changes, but there should be available publicly. Windows XP. Windows XP is a line of operating system developed by the Microsoft used for the personal computer. It was released worldwide in 2001. It provides a better graphical interface. It is user friendly. It allows the new user to log in even if the previous user has not logged out. It allows a user to write the file to a CD without installing a special software. Microsoft introduced the Hibernate feature in the Windows XP. This feature saves the power. It also allows the computer to start up quickly. You can see the different topics related to the Windows XP is what that was the very most important system, mostly useful among the people in the 2000. Before 2010, that system were mostly useful among the peoples. We will see the different important sentences. See at the third sentence, it is the user friendly. User friendly means user can easily interact with that system. It allows a new user to log in even if the previous user has not logged out. There is no need to log out from that system or to shut down the system. Many users can use the system one after the another without log out. It allows the user to write the files to the CD without installing a special software. Without installing, you can write out the CD. Microsoft introduced the Hibernate features in Windows XP. Microsoft introduced a Hibernate feature. Hibernate feature you can use while shut down. There are different options there. Log off, hibernate or shut down. Hibernate option will save the power. For saving the power, you can choose the option hibernate instead of shut down, because using the hibernate option will save your power for starting the Windows. Whenever you want to start, you can start very easily by choosing that options while shut down at the end. Windows 7, this is also the system you regularly use into your computer. Nowadays Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 are very popularly using among the peoples. It is used for home as well as business purposes. 7 is available since 22nd of October after the Windows XP, and assembly language were used to develop code for Windows 7. This operating system is available in many editions and have lots of new features. The operating system with lots of new features added after the Windows XP. Some features are there that are very similar to the Windows XP, but after Windows XP there would be using Windows 7 with the different tabs. In the Windows XP there was using the different menus, file, edit, view, etc. menus was using easily inside the Windows XP. Instead of that, home, insert, that type of tag were using in Windows 7. C++ and C assembly language were used to develop the code for Windows 7. What is the language? Language means to develop a software. Language is used to develop a software. There are different languages available, C, C++, and different type of assembly language. For making the good software, well developing of software can be used with the help of different languages, and Windows 7 is one of them that made with the different languages. Windows 8. After its predecessor, Windows 7 is available since 26 October 2012. Windows 8 is used for home as well as business purpose. That was using for business purpose also. Windows system as made up of C, C++ assembly language were used to develop the code for Windows 8. Here also using of different languages, C, C++ and assembly language. Assembly language is used to write the code for the software making as the operating system. We can see that Windows 8, a new software developed with the help of that operating system, with the help of that languages. The another addition is Windows 8. It's called Windows RT. Is designed to devices like tablet and PC. It is similar to Android or iOS. It offers device level encryption and the touch based office suite and apps. Different type of use of for there we can see the and touch face office suite and apps are there. You can use it at your home or at the purpose for the different business. You can use it at the company place also. Windows 8 is also very latest technology useful with the form of Windows system, Windows operating system. The last topic, Windows 10. Windows 10 is available for consumers since 29 July 2015. Windows 10 is used for home as well as business purposes also. The same changes made in Windows 8 in Windows 10. The earlier version, that is Windows 8, was considered as complex and difficult to use. Therefore, Windows 10 is made to look similar to the older version, especially like Windows 7. However, it is still released with a lot of new features. It is still released with lot of features. Lot of features means there could be different features. There are different features like working over that very easily, saving your document very easily. You can work very efficiently over that system. If the system Windows 10 is similar to the Windows 7, some problems related to the Windows 8 system have removed. After that, the new system has developed. The name is Windows 10. Okay, student, after getting all the knowledge of all the topics, you will memorize with the things learned. Read that topic, memorize that topic, and try to solve the exercise given in your book. The textbook exercise will help you to increase your knowledge also. Memorize the answer of the given questions, try to write it in your notebook also. That will increase your uh, knowledge also. You can memorize repetitively for getting the best knowledge for the related chapter. Okay, so if you having some difficulty, please mention it at the comment section. If you having the difficulty over the different topics I have already taught to you in the given videos, so you can easily ask me over the comment section, or you can ask me in the groups also. Thank you, student. Okay.